Hey Wormy, look at me. My sprouts are growing bigger and bigger. And you're turning into a space carrot.
No! I think that means it's time for us to head home now.
But it's been so fun here on Earth. I really don't want to leave.
Well, look at it from the bright side. You have a lot of memories to bring home with you, of our Earthling friends and of all the fun missions we've accomplished together.
I really enjoy being on space adventures with you, Wormy. But it starts to get a bit boring, just traveling and traveling. Can't we stop somewhere to explore?
Sure! What about this green and blue planet over there?
Whoa! Yeah? Looks kind of cool. Let's go there. I'm so glad that we ended up here on planet Earth. Of all planets.
I agree.
Wormy, what do you think will be your best memory from our adventures on Earth?
I would say all of our new Earthling friends.
Yeah. How lucky that we got to meet 3 different teams of Earthlings that wanted to explore together with us. Team Carrot, Team Avocado, and Team Tomato.
And through these teams, we got to know Earthlings from all over planet Earth. From Sweden, from Austria, from the US, and from Kenya. What about you, Space Potato? What do you think will be your favorite memory?
All the fun missions.
That's a lot of good memories. Do you have a favorite one?
Actually, I think that's a bit hard to choose. I think they're all kind of connected. Let me explain. We eat food and throw away the leftovers. Out of these leftovers, we can make a compost that in time will turn into soil. In this soil, we can plant something, and if we are patient enough, the plant will grow. Finally, we can cook food out of what we harvest.
Wow! And imagine, this circle never stops. I mean, from the food that you made out of your harvest, you get new food waste and perhaps even new seeds.
Exactly! And then it just continues around and around. Isn't that cool?
Do you remember all of the nice food that the Earthlings showed us?
Yeah, everything looked so good. Except maybe for the potatoes that some of the Earthlings ate. I really hope they wouldn't eat us space potatoes.
And all the food waste needs to be carefully separated. No plastic, no paper, no glass. Just food waste.
Like that?
Yeah, just like that. They had a lot of food waste.
And out of the food waste, the Earthlings produced so many nice, wonderful composts.
Which then, after quite some time, makes a very good soil.
When we got our soil, we all went looking for things to grow.
We planted so many different things.
And imagine that some of the things the Earthlings planted have already started to sprout.
Just wait long enough and their plants will have grown big and be ready to harvest. I really see what you mean, Space Potato. This is a circle. From the food we ate in our first mission to the visions of our homegrown food.
It's so sad that we have to leave now, but we will bring with us so many lovely memories.
Exactly. So, are you ready to go? Everything packed?
I'm ready. Goodbye, Earthlings.
Goodbye, Earthlings! Hey, Space Potato. Imagine what we can do on our own planet with all the new things we learned together with the Earthlings.
Maybe we could teach this to our seedling friends.
Yes! Then our whole planet soon would sprout.
Yay! Let's go!
Let's grow!